Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to look at the AutoSum keyboard shortcut. So we've got some example sales data that we're going to use for this run through. So it's sales by offices. So we've got Amsterdam, Chicago, Hamburg, Prague and Sydney as 5 different offices, and then we've got their sales for 2019, 2020 and 2021. Now what we want to do is put all the totals in these cells here. So in this bottom row, we're going to have the total sales for each year across all the different offices. And in these cells here, we're going to have the sales for each individual office with the total being each of the 3 years. So there's a few ways we can do this in Excel. Obviously, a very slow way is to literally go equals and then put cell B4 and then do cell B5, cell B6, etc. I'm not going to even run through one example of that because it's so slow. A slightly quicker way, obviously we can write out equals sum, and then we can select all of these cells, hit enter, and we get our total, so 449791. But the focus of this video is to look at the keyboard shortcut for auto summing. So to do that on Windows, it's Alt equals, and on Mac, it's Command Shift T. So if we do Alt equals, we then get the sum function automatically populate, referencing all the cells above that we'd want to be added in. We can hit enter and we get our total just like that. And then we can obviously drag this across, and then we could put the formula up here, drag it down as well, which is a pretty quick way to get our totals rather than doing anything more manual. But an even quicker way to do this, and I'll run through an example. When we've got our data arranged like this, if we do Control A or Command A on a Mac to select all, we can then do the AutoSum keyboard shortcut again. So I'm going to do Alt equals or Command Shift T on a Mac, and you'll notice we get all of our totals instantly populated. So Excel has recognized what we want to do, and now all of these totals are summing up all the cells that we want summed up. So that's just a really quick and simple keyboard shortcut that can save you precious minutes when working in Excel.